What is up, good people? It's your boy Clarence, all the way from Hot Ice. Make it sure that you do subscribe, hit that bell notification so you'll never miss any future drops. So, guys, today I've decided to share with you my forecast on NAS100, guys. So, within my forecast, what I'm looking for is this. So, let's drill in, guys. Let's drill into it. So, first of all, I just wanna see what is the nature of the NAS100 pair. So the nature of what I'm seeing now is that the market was moving impassive with what beautiful impassive and then a correction, impulse, smaller correction here, and then we had what a impulse, and now we are looking for what a correction, which it gives us what a beautiful bigger correction, and within that correction we have a previous bigger structure within it that we are looking for what a 90% rule. So I will just mark my higher here and then my previous lower from a bigger time frame. So this is how I outline it, and then from here I will take my trend line from here to outline the pattern that I have previously mentioned on my previous videos, guys. If you did watch those previous video, I think you will see this pattern that I'm talking about. This is a falling wedge pattern, guys. Falling wedge pattern. Yeah, so that's how it is. So here we had a breakout and a beautiful correction here, and then retested, push to the upside, guys. So now let's focus on the bigger price action movement. So our bigger price action movement is this one here, guys. So that's where we're gonna highlight our highs and lowers, our lower highs and our higher lows. It's here, guys. So let me outline them. First of all, we had this one here. The market decided to turn back, and then it reaches this level, and then we marked it. So now we are looking forward for this pattern here, which will be a correction movement. So we are looking for a impassive movement along the week. So that's why we break it down on Sunday. So on Monday we are starting looking forward for sellers or buyers. So let me drill down to smaller time frame and see what I'm talking about within that price action. So here we are in daily time frame. As I'm in daily time frame, I'm seeing a beautiful retest here. We just had a beautiful retest here, and then what? Beautiful falling wedge. When we drill to smaller time frame, I will reveal it. I will reveal that falling wedge. You will see it as we go by. So I will just evolve this and see how many times the market decided to touch this level and push to the upside, and then touch it again, push possibilities of pushing upwards. And another thing, when I put my trend lines from here to there, I had beautiful touches, the top two touches, and here I had the first, second, third touch, guys. As you all know, guys, first, second, third touch possibilities for the market to push up or down from that third touch or second touch. So here we had a third touch. So it's possible for a market to push to the upside and complete this structure and give us a bigger impassive movement from here to there, guys. As you can see, impulsive from previous, and then correction as a falling wedge, and then impassive movement. So we want to drill down to smaller time frame and see smaller patterns, smaller double bottoms, smaller head and inverse head and shoulder. That will confirm for you that we are able to buy this pair, guys. So as you can see, it's beautiful. It's very beautiful, guys. So what I'm seeing here also, where maybe you're gonna get a bigger inverse head and shoulder. Sorry, inverse head and shoulder within it, and then we push to the upside, guys. So making sure that you look within this pair, guys, because NAS100 is very volatile. We get so many rejection before we push to our direction, so you have to make sure that you go to smaller time frame, mark those lows and highs so that you will get a perfect entry. So let me drill to H4. So on H4, what I'm seeing now, yeah, here it's that falling wedge pattern. So we had a pattern within patterns. That's a perfect confirmation. We have a first confirmation of this falling wedge, and then we have a second confirmation of what? Of the falling wedge. Already the market is starting to buy. As you can see, guys, the market is starting to buy. Yeah, was a beautiful descending channel we have on NAS100. And also we did head for what? A inverse head and shoulder. As you can see here, it's a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder here. Perfect entry, guys. If you caught it from here, that shoulder, and then push with it, they're still on beautiful buyers, guys. And remember, guys, the market, it never just move to the upside. It always have those 10 back, just like this beautiful 10 back here. And respect this level here. That will be your second entry if you're looking for buyers, guys. So within the opening of Mondays, we are going to look for it to push to the downside smaller and then move with it to the upside, confirming for us. As you can see, this level here, it's very strong, and it might be possible that it create a bigger inverse head and shoulder again. A smaller inverse and then a bigger inverse head and shoulder, and then push to the upside, guys. The possibilities within NAS100. So already I just outlined everything within bigger time frame. When you reach smaller time frame, just take that entry, guys. Just take that entry, the perfect entry within the perfect zone. So as you can see, the market has already reached the level. Maybe it will push and then create a double bottom again, push to the upside. Just wait for it to reach this zone again, or if it didn't reach the zone, possibilities for NAS100 to create a correction from here and then push to the upside. So yeah, guys, that's what I have within NAS100. I will just end up here in H1. So the rest from smaller time frame, it's for entries, guys, for looking for that smaller correction or double bottom or inverse head and shoulder. So nevertheless, guys, I hope you do like this video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe with your friends and families, guys. Tell them to do subscribe, watch my content, guys. Without you guys, I'm nothing. Hand to the hand. Peace out.